If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and Tradovate, you're not alone. Both platforms give traders access to the markets, but they're designed for very different purposes and audiences. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a CFD broker built around simplicity and accessibility. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making it appealing to beginners who want a straightforward way to trade. With Plus500, you can access CFDs on forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, shares, and even cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is its risk management tools, including guaranteed stop-loss orders, which help traders control losses during volatile market conditions. If your goal is to speculate on price movements across a wide variety of global markets, Plus500 delivers that in a clean and easy-to-use package. But there are limitations. Because Plus500 focuses solely on CFDs, you don't actually own the underlying assets, so there are no dividends, voting rights, or long-term investing opportunities. The platform also doesn't offer advanced charting, algorithmic trading, or third-party integrations, which makes it feel restrictive for traders who want more professional-level features. Now let's turn to Tradovate. Tradovate is very different from Plus500. It's a futures trading platform designed for active and professional traders. With Tradovate, you can trade futures and options on futures across commodities, indices, interest rates, and more. It's built for speed and flexibility, offering advanced charting, order types, and the ability to integrate with popular third-party platforms like NinjaTrader. Tradovate also stands out for its subscription-based pricing model, which allows frequent traders to save on commissions. Where Tradovate really shines is in its professional-grade tools and market access. You can customize your workspace, use sophisticated order routing, and even explore automated strategies if that's your style. But the trade-off is complexity. Futures trading itself carries higher risk and a steeper learning curve compared to CFDs, and the platform is not as beginner-friendly as Plus500. It's clearly aimed at more experienced traders who already understand futures markets. So which one should you choose? If you're new to trading or you want a simple way to speculate on price movements across different asset classes without diving into complex setups, Plus500 is the better option. But if you're an active trader who's comfortable with futures and you want advanced tools, professional execution, and a cost structure that rewards high volume, Tradovate is the stronger choice. In short, Plus500 is for beginner-friendly CFD trading across global markets, while Tradovate is for professional-level futures traders who want depth, speed, and flexibility. Both are powerful in their own way, but your choice really depends on whether you want simplicity or a more advanced futures trading environment. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.